Greetings. My name is Don Hajic, and along with my wife Denise, we live in Manassas, Virginia, and we hired Forte to remodel 2 of our bathrooms, add a window seat in our master bedroom, and also refinish the existing hardwood floors, rip out the carpeting in our family room, and replace that with hardwood floors. I would have to say, having many projects done at our home over the years, we couldn't be more pleased with the job that the team did. The floors were done by Carlos and his crew, and he matched the existing hardwood perfectly. Ever and his team were responsible for a beautiful window seat in the dormer in our master bedroom. The care and diligence that Ever and his teams provided was unparalleled. He was polite, exceptionally careful to keep the dust at a minimum, and was very attentive to our questions and our desires. I wouldn't say there weren't bumps along the way. It was about a 9-week process, but I will say that Forte addressed all of our concerns. At the end of the day, they really exceeded our expectations, and we're extremely happy.